Hey guys, good evening to all of you, and I hope you all are safe in home. So guys, today in this video, I will share with you recent job openings from Qatar. I hope you all know that Qatar is a Gulf country. So if you are looking for a job in any Gulf country, please keep watching this video till the end and let us know what is the latest job openings and when to apply and when you can move Qatar with a job. So let's start. This is a recent job openings for elevator maintenance engineer. So if you are belong to these professionals, don't be late because there is very rare recruitments from abroad. So from Qatar, this is the only one recruitment. So if you are belongs to these professionals, don't be late. So from the client a message, we are looking for an elevator maintenance engineer for one of our clients based in Doha, Qatar. Doha is the capital city of Qatar. So position is elevator maintenance engineer, job location Doha, salary depends on experience. So it will be negotiated during interview. So the requirements, this is very important points. Candidates should already be in Qatar and have NOC mandatory. So please keep in mind this is very important points. You should have available in Doha, Qatar, because for now in this situation there is some countries there are restrictions for receiving foreign employees. So for this job you should have available in Qatar. Second thing, bachelor or diploma degree in electrical mechanical engineering, at least 5 years of experience in the elevator industry, preferable at main brands Cone, AIS, TVS, etc. Strong leadership abilities, excellent English language skills, excellent communication skills, excellent computer and Microsoft software skills. This is very important requirements to apply for this job. So if you are related to these professionals and if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned here by the employer, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So guys, this is very important information, so I am hurry to share with you. If you are belongs to elevator maintenance engineering, you can apply as soon as possible because there are very rare requirements from abroad job. So again, I would like to tell you this is a very urgent job openings. If you are really interested, apply as soon as possible and you should have available in Qatar. I'm sorry for the background sound. This is very emergency, so I would like to share with you. If you are available in these professionals and if you are available in the Qatar and you are getting a good salary and you are expecting a high salary, then you can apply for this job. If you are really interested, you can apply as soon as possible by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. Once your CV will be shortlisted, they will inform you to visit their office or you can attend the interview by online. Once you get a success from the interview, they will guide you the next process. So hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Today only one job openings from Qatar. There is no other jobs. So I would like to tell you, if you are related to these professionals and if you are available in Qatar, don't be late, apply as soon as possible and contact by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. The official email ID you can get from the descriptions below this video and you can drop your CV. Once you getting success from the interview, you can move forward with the jobs. So guys, hope this information will be helpful for the engineering in elevator. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will share with you a recent job openings. But the thing is, for now in this COVID-19 situations, there is very rare job openings from different countries. So don't waste your time if you want to move abroad. If the openings is related to your professionals, apply and move. Because if you will wait for huge openings, it's not possible for now. So now since few days, since few months, some countries they are recruiting very limited employees. So like in this requirements you can see the Qatar is a Gulf country and they are recruiting only for one jobs. So now the situation is very critical. So if you are getting a openings according to your professionals, don't be late, apply and move. And I would like to tell you again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Next video we'll meet with a latest job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with me. Bye bye.